How to fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable in your region to comply with regulations. Now, this specific error message that is popping up on your screen to opening up any experience, this might be or there might be a certain settings from your Roblox account that was currently disabled or turned off. Now just go ahead and pull up any preferred web browser and head directly to roblox.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you logged in, just head directly to this gear icon right here, which will take you out to your settings. Now let's go ahead and double check if there are things that was disabled on your current settings. Now for you to be able to double check, just head directly to privacy and content maturity. Now, under content maturity, it has to be moderate or mid for you to be able to join all experiences. Now, the other thing that you'll have to check is via the communication. Now, say for example on experience chat, make sure that it is all set to everyone. Now, if it's currently set as to no one, you'll have to switch it to everyone. Now once everything is set, they go back and go to party. Now party also as well needs to be set as friends. Now again, if it is set to no one, then just simply switch it to friends. Now let's try other settings. Now if you go ahead to parental controls and haven't set it up one of the parental controls on your Roblox account, you'll have to bind it or link it to one of a parent email address for your Roblox account. Now once everything is set up, just choose on all experiences for you to be able to join any games on Roblox without having to have that specific error message and how you can fix Roblox. This experience is unavailable in your region to comply with the regulations.